Aslam, have you eaten breakfast?
No, I'm doing in few minutes.
Okay. Why did you awake so late today?
Yes, sir, I had slept at 2 a.m. That's why I think. Did you go to morning walk today?
Yeah, and Faizan and Kamran both had come today.
What? Why didn't you awake me? They are going to Karachi today. I wanna meet them before they go.
Why are you so worried? Meet them at his school today?
They will not come to school today. They told me that they are going at 9 a.m.
It's 7:30 a.m. Means 1 hour and 30 minutes are remaining. Let's go and meet them.
What are you saying, Yasir? It's time of our school.
Yeah, but why do you want to meet them? Is everything okay?
They are my friends. They said we don't know when we will come. So I'm going to miss them a lot.
Oh, I have an idea. Why don't we go to Karachi?
Are you mad? How can we go?
Listen, our vacations are coming after 10 days, and my father will go to Karachi with some work. So we will meet your friends there?
Are you sure Uncle Usman will go?
Yeah.
Okay, so we will go with them.
Have you done your English homework?
Oh, I forgot it. What was it?
You were also in the class yesterday. You should know which homework sir gave.
Yeah, forgive me this time. Please tell me.
Okay, this time I'm telling you, but be careful next time.
Okay,
Sir said make an essay on democracy.
okay. I'm writing it now.
No, this is not the time of essay writing. Get ready for the school. We are getting late.
But Yasser, sir will give me punishment.
Don't worry, nothing will happen like that.
How can you say that?
Look, according to today's timetable, first period will be of maths, and that's the free period. Because yesterday sir said tomorrow I will be on leave. So you can easily write essay in that period.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Have you written your homework?
Yeah,
So please give me that in first period. I will write from your copy.
no, I will not give. That's cheating. Make your own.
Try to understand, Yasser. It's too difficult to write my own essay in short period of time.
What? You have 30 minutes to write it. Is it short?
It's not, but
No, you have to write your own. Okay, get ready for the school.
Okay.